In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix. There is something wrong with our server. We are trying to fix it. Please try again later on Shein shopping app. In most cases, you will receive this error. If you are receiving this error at the payment confirmation stage, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you want to ensure that you have enough funds in your wallet before you do this. Then ensure you are not connected to any VPN or any proxy app, as this might be the reason for this. If you have any of this on, uninstall this app or turn them off to see if this works. However, if this does not fix your problem, then most likely Shein app might have experienced a glitch. For that, we need to troubleshoot it. To troubleshoot the app, just go to settings on your phone, and from settings, go for apps. Now under apps, look for manage apps or all apps option. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Shein, and as you can see, we have our app here. First, go to for stop app and OK, and again go to clear data, clear cache, OK, and finally clear all data. Restart your smartphone and then see if your app works normally. You should be able to place your confirmation or to place your order. However, if you still face a challenge, then check and then see if we have any update through Google Play Store. Search for Shein app, or if you are on iPhone, look for App Store. Update your app to the latest version. Now at this point, everything should be working without any issue. But should this fail, try and log into a Shein app using our web browser. If that still fails, then most likely Shein might have experienced an internal server error, which should be fixed after some few minutes. So try logging in after some few minutes, and now you should be able to shop without any issue and place your order. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.